Here having a look at the CaseKoo Magic Stand case. Now this is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I'm going to show you guys how it all sets up with the phone here just now. So let's take a look at it. Now these are very nice cases. To start with, on the back here, you've got different stickers, which I think is really cool. Allows you to personalize your phone depending on how you want. So put that to the side, and here we are with the case itself. Now, to start with, it's rubberized. Very, very good quality, you can see straight away. Now it's got the rubber parts around here, which helps if you drop it, it protects the case. So very, very simply to set up, you get your phone, pop it in there, just like this. And look at that, just like that. So as you can see, it sits like that.
There's something wrong. Please try it.
As you can see, look how slim it sits onto the face, and look at the profile of it. Again, it doesn't sit up at all off the phone, which is great. You've got the buttons there that you can use to press, and you've got the charger there to do. Very light, but feels very good quality as well. And you've got the Magic Stand just there. So you open that up if you wish to talk to someone. If you want to go also that way too, you can do it as well. And there's me as well. Hi guys. Very good. So yeah, the CaseKoo Magic Stand case. Okay, now we're taking a look at the CaseKoo Magic Stand case for iPhone Pro 15 Max. Now this is a different color than the previous ones we've showed you guys. So let's take a look. Now to start with, you've got the stickers on it, which are really cool. Don't know which you guys think looks most like me. I think maybe that one. It's pretty cool. And more stickers too, so look very cool. You can put them on the back of the case if you want. Put it to the side. And there's a bit more about some of the technologies it comes with, as well as the ability to anti-drop. So if we go here and have a look, so this one is actually gold. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I love the gold color. Now look at that, doesn't that look absolutely beautiful? Look at that there. Look at that, it's very, very nice, beautiful look. We showed you the black one previously. This looks nice, so let's go and put it onto the iPhone and see what happens. So put on there. Now, look at that, isn't that absolutely stunning? So see how well it fits on the profile of the iPhone. It doesn't go over the edge. It's got the grooves there as well, which is good if you want to hold it. The button turn on and off, volume up, volume down. But like this, so it doesn't slip out of your hands as much. And the actual lenses are covered in here. You've got the ability to hold the phone up. So you see there, sits up that way or that way too, which is good. Completely adjustable too, so you can put it that way if you want, which is great. And this is also magnetic as well, so you can actually charge it if you want using your wireless chargers too. So very nice case, and it just gives that touch of bling, doesn't it? So, and that's me. Okay, we're going to look at the CaseKoo Magic Stand case. Now this is the iPhone Pro 15 Max, but these are the same cases for other models if you choose to use them. And again, nice packaging on the back there as well. So let's go and take a look. I'll actually put this on the iPhone so you can see how it works. So we open up the case just here, and here is the case here. So again, with all CaseKoo products, you've got the stickers, which again, I really like, guys. I think these look really cool. You got a couple of packs there you can use for it. That to the side. And we've got the case. So let's have a look. So here is this is the slightly transparent case as well. So again, these help with you if you want to anti-drop them. They protect the back of the case because you don't want to be dropping your iPhone, do you? So put them in. Now they're very similar to actually the color of my iPhone, which is cool. Now look at that, look at the profile. It just sits in there so sleek and so smooth. So you've got charger in there for the speakers. You've got this slight indent there, which helps when you hold it, which is fantastic. Again, look at how it fits. See, it doesn't move at all on there. And you've got the lenses fixed in there very well. Now you can use this to actually sit up too, so put like that if you wish to sit it up and use it. You can't go that way though, but you can sit it like that if you want to use that way. Again, very nice design. You can see the Apple symbol just there, and the rubberized is good. So if you drop them, generally that can protect your case, but I'll probably still put a screen protector on there as well, but a very nice case. Here we're having a look at the CaseKoo iPhone case. This is for iPhone Pro 15 Max. This is a transparent one. Again, these cases though for other models are very similar, so you can use this review to see which ones to buy. They're all the same, they just fit phones differently, of course. So if you take a look, so Again, start with, I love the stickers on here, which it comes with. Very cool. Each of these phones have the stickers, and they're quite different in each one you get, so very cute. Now this one as well, you've got the case just here. Now, as the name suggests, it's transparent, so you can actually see straight through the back of your phone too, which I like. We spend all this money buying iPhones, so you want to be able to actually see it, don't you? And here we've actually got the sticker too, which helps the actual screen come off. Don't actually know what that is. That's a stand. So that's a stand for your phone, which we'll show you guys. So let's get my trusty iPhone and put it in so I can show you guys. So again, it slips in just like that. Now it says peel off protective film before use. I'm not gonna do that at the moment just because I want to keep this new to use it in future. And again, there's the case on there. So it's got the CaseKoo logo on there. Again, you can see all the buttons on there. Feels really good in the hands. It's not gonna slip at all as well because it's got the contour grip. The buttons feel nice. The actual lens sits back on it too, which is good, so it's not going to get scratched. And you've got the tag there. Again, there's the buttons there, so it looks very nice. I don't know what you guys think. Fits well, and if you happen to drop it, it's going to provide that level of protection. Again, look at the profile of the case. It's completely flat now. CaseKoo's given us this as well. So this basically opens up, and you can use this as a stand, which is cool. So if you want to be watching like this, go that way. You can watch me if you want, that's me in Bali. Or you can do it tighter and go this way as well. So that's actually a very neat product there. I haven't actually seen it before. It just makes it nice and easy to use no matter where you are. So yeah, the CaseKoo transparent case. For the iPhone Pro 15 Max. But you can also use this for other phones as well. So how this case works is the same on all other phones. So I'll give you a demonstration so you can see what it's like. Now, we've done a few reviews of these. I might start this side first for a change. Now, if we take it out and have a look, to start with the case. Now, guess what color this is, guys? Ta-da, blue. Now, that's great because blue is actually one of my favorite colors. And doesn't this look so stylish? There it is just there. You can feel the quality right away with these as well. That's what I love about it. Now, have a look here. So you've got the Magic Stand there as well. Stand, MagSafe, and certified military protection, which is very important. A bit more about how the phone works. Some stickers, which is cool. I love stickers. That's to meet the ski fields in New Zealand. So let's go have a look at the case. Now I'm going to put it on my iPhone. Now, my iPhone is actually navy blue as well. So the color, so it kind of matches that too, which is really cool. So we take this off, plug it in there. And again, look how simple that fits. So it's true to size, fits straight in there. And look at the profile, you can't even see it. It fits in perfectly. The lens looks perfect in there too. You see it doesn't stick out at all. And you've got a contour here as well to hold it. So that basically means when you're holding it, it's not going to slip out of your hand. You've got the USB-C charger there, but all around fits very well in the hand. It's light too. Military grade protection. It does charge wirelessly using this. And you've also got the stand you can use if you want to watch it for like movies or out and about. So yeah, a very nice product.